Welcome to Cooking with Nidhi. So this is my first video in this channel. So if you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe my channel and click that notification bell. So whenever I post a new video, you get that. So now just not waste time and let's get on the recipe. So today we are going to make jalebi. So the ingredients I have are, this is urad dal. What is it that I have soaked it for 2 to 3 hours and then I have made a fine paste, adding some water in it, as you can see the consistency. Here I have 1/4 bowl of rice flour to make it crunchy, a bowl of maida, some food coloring, water, baking soda, a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. So we are going to start by putting our maida. I have filtered my dry ingredients already. If you want to, then you can also filter your ingredients. Here's my rice flour, my paste, I'm just going to add a bit of food coloring. So here is my food coloring, my teaspoon of baking powder, a very small pinch of salt. Now we are going to mix it and we are going to add water and make a soft paste out of it into a running consistency, and it has to be lump free. So here I have mixed it for 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, it's in a running consistency. I needed about less than half cup of water because I took a cup of water here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to just cover it and let it for 15 minutes. Till our batter is setting, we will make our sugar syrup. So for that, here I have 1 full bowl of sugar and with that we are going to add half bowl, half and 5 tablespoons of water. And now we are going to cook it till the sugar is not melted. Here my sugar is fully melted. If you have to check that it is done or not, then just take few drops in a bowl, let it cool, then take it and see. It forms a wire type thing. It's sticky like honey. Means it's ready. I have turned off my gas and now I am going to add some cardamom powder. Green cardamom powder it is. And now we are going to give it a mix and let it cool. So it has been 15 minutes. Now we will just give it a small mix to this mixture. See. And now here I have a piping bag which we use to pipe cream out of. You can also use the utensil or a sauce bottle to do this. But if you don't have it, you can also use a normal carry bag to do this. I have my hot oil and I have cut it a small hole. Now you can also cook them in the ghee. This is my first time doing these, so I don't know how they are going to turn out. Guys, you all can see this, that it is so easy to do. I am doing it first time and they are turning out awesome. So here is my final product. I just took the jalebi out till they were cooked and crunchy. Then I poured them into my sugar syrup for 2 to 3 minutes. When they soaked the syrup, then I just kept them out and garnished them with some pista. Hope you like this video, and if it works for you, then smash that like button. Bye.